In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Gmail search operators. If you've ever scrolled endlessly for that one email, this will save you time immediately. We'll use Gmail's built-in search operators right in the search bar to narrow results with precision, and you can combine them to get exactly what you need. Start with from to find messages sent by a specific person or address. Type from, followed by the sender's name or email to pull up their messages. Next, use to locate emails sent to a particular recipient. A handy shortcut is to me, which returns messages addressed directly to you. When you need to filter by subject lines, use subject followed by a word or phrase. If it's a multi-word phrase, wrap it in quotes for accuracy, like subject, dinner plans. So Gmail looks for that exact phrase in the subject only. For time-based searches, after and before, let you set a date boundary in the format YYYMMDD. For example, after 2024-04-16 shows messages newer than that date, and you can pair it with before to create a clean range, such as after 2024-04-01 before 2024-04-30 for the month of April. If you prefer relative time, newer than and older than are great. Add a number and a unit, D for days, M for months, Y for years, such as newer than 1M to see messages from the last month or older than 2Y for anything more than 2 years old. To quickly surface files, has attachment returns any email with an attachment. Narrow it further with file name to target the type or the name. For instance, filename.pdf finds messages with PDF attachments, and filename.invoice will match files with that word in the file name. If you organize your inbox with labels, label helps you search within one. Type label, followed by the label name to limit results to that space. You can also filter by inbox categories with category, like category social, category promotions, or category updates, depending on how Gmail sorted the message. Finally, if you're catching up, is unread shows, only unread messages, making it easy to triage. The real power comes from combining operators. You can stack them by typing them with spaces. For example, from a specific sender, plus has attachment plus after a certain date creates a tight, focused search. Keep it simple, avoid commas, and remember that capitalization doesn't matter. Practice a few combinations that match the way you work, and consider saving frequent searches as filters to automate labeling or forwarding. With these operators, you'll spend less time hunting and more time getting things done.